In this video we will discuss about Infinix Hot 10s price in Bangladesh. Here first we discuss about display and body of this phone. The Infinix Hot 10s has large display quality that is excellent. This smartphone standout features display size is 6.82 inches IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display. The Infinix Hot 10s users will get 720 multiply 1640 pixels resolutions, 263 ppi density, and an 83.1% screen to body ratio. This smartphone uses a plastic frame and plastic back. Hot 10s front side is made of glass, which construction gives it a premier look and feel. The Infinix Hot 10s smartphone physically scale at 71.5 mm multiply 77.5 mm multiply 9.2 mm. This smartphone has four beautiful colors available: black, purple, green, and blue. Heart of Ocean, the Infinix Hot 10s build quality and design. The corporate has done a good job. Software and processor. The Infinix Hot 10s smartphone installs the Android 11 operating system. Additionally, the Infinix Hot 10s captures the XOS 7.6 of the custom screen interface on top to draw a magnificent navigation experience. This smartphone comes with MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor until dependent on 12 fabrication technology and CPU clocked up to 2.0 GHz with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU chip. The Infinix Hot 10s camera quality is outstanding. The Infinix has 10s smartphones has a triple camera module on the back and a selfie camera on the front. The essential photography unit to captained by the 48 megapixels wide sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and third unknown camera. On the display side, the selfie camera fits with the 8 megapixel wide sensor camera. The Hot 10s camera sports a 1.8 focus with PDAF. The video quality of the Infinix Hot 10s is 1080 pixel at up to 30 frames per second, and the front camera video quality is 1080 at up to 30 frames per second. This smartphone using will get 4GB and 6GB RAM on the three variations with 64GB and 128GB internal storage. The Infinix Hot 10s also bears a 6000 mAh battery to serve you for a good service. What are the reasons to buy this smartphone? When anyone wants to buy the best Infinix brand like Infinix Hot 10s, they determine the premium things on the device, consistency, and their price, and other specifications. Here we discuss some advantages of Infinix Hot 10s. The first one is MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. The second one is Mali G52 MC2 CPU. The third one is 6.82 inches big display. The The fourth and the last one is good battery life. Disadvantages: no 5G data, no NFC and infrared port, not fast charging.